What is animation? In a very simple way, it's the form of making some drawings in the form of a sequence that will create the illusion of life. Most of it, you can see it on anime, or a 2D style if it's a drawing. Now, when it comes to 3D animation, things change drastically. The 3D animation are more complex. Let's go. Get MMD miku dance and open it. Load your model. Okay. Here where it's going to get triggered. Before we continue, in this short video you can get a better perspective from an animation standpoint, since they're both related in the system. You can come back to this video afterwards. I'll be waiting. Now that you're back, let's begin explaining what do we have here. On your upper left side, you should be seeing something with multiple lines, like this.
Yeah, boy.
Remember what I said at the beginning with the drawing? Well, here's where it takes a straight turn. Whenever you see anime, video game, and or video, all of them are in a setting of FPS, which equals to frames per second, which basically means, in a very simple term, how many frames does it have in a second? Think of it like a phone. How many pictures would fit for a second? This is highly noticeable with the videos of stop motion, because those types of videos rely entirely on frames per second. Now, on the section over here is where you can see the actual frames per second. This area here is called frame manipulation. In the area below the frame manipulation name, there should be a number 0. Keep that in mind. Then go to your model and head to the bone manipulation tab and select the bone and rotate it to anywhere you would like to. Press the register button. You have now started to animate.
Wow!
Here's where everything starts to separate a little bit from this point on. You can decide whenever to make your videos 30 frames per second or greater. What you should be very aware of is the following. The higher FPS frames per second, the faster it will load. This will depend greatly on the type of video you will be creating. It's completely up to you. To continue with the next frame, head back to frame manipulation and select the arrow to the right to continue with the following frame. To see what you registered on the character's movements, there's a section on the lower right side where it says play. You can press that button to see what you've done so far. Depending on the frame that you're currently on, if you want to see everything from the beginning, go to frame 0 and press play. You can repeat the animation process as much as you want with the frames as well. There isn't an actual frame limit from the MMD software. If you want to make some fast animation, you can make the same. You can take some bone manipulation on frame by frame, literally. The only problem to this is making the animation going smoothly as you want. On this YouTube short that was made a few months ago related to Genshin Impact, you can see some off moments where you see the character a little bit robotic. There's 2 videos representing the issue on the link down below so you can see it on a normal speed. This is a little time-consuming process, but it's like a way they say, practice makes it perfect. If there's a better way to make these animations on MMD, it would be nice to know. So there's some things that are left to go to finish. Let's go.